Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing only what's necessary. Open your world in 21. Place a brewing stand and fuel it with blaze powder. Insert water bottles in the 3 slots and add nether wart to make awkward potions. This is the required base for advanced effects. Once done, swap nether wart for a golden carrot to convert awkward into night vision potions. Make sure to keep blaze powder topped off. Without fuel, the stand won't process ingredients, and you'll stall before the effect is created. You now handle the potion timing and delivery. After the golden carrot creates a 3-minute night vision potion, add redstone dust to extend it to 8 minutes. This is essential for long explorations. If you want throwable or area effects, add gunpowder for splash or dragon's breath for lingering bottles. Arrows require a tipped arrow conversion. Alternatively, when cheats are allowed, you can directly give yourself the effect with the command /effect give at s night vision 480 true. This skips brewing and sets the exact duration instantly. You finish by applying the effect. Drink the potion to brighten your view or toss a splash night vision to affect teammates. Tipped arrows work for ranged use. Once applied, check the potion icon and look for the characteristic brighter, bluish tint. That confirms success. If you don't see the change, make sure cheats are enabled for command use, verify you brewed golden carrot, not another ingredient, and disable any resource packs or shaders that might hide night vision. Reapply after correcting the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.